See, what is the purpose of retreat practice?
Boost your ego.
Right on.
Okay. No, just kidding.
Oh, okay.
Retreat practices.
I'm sorry, can we do that one again then?
Yes.
Okay. So you're saying about the purpose.
Cut that out.
Okay.
Retreat practices. Are you talking about long, or just general retreat practice?
General retreat. I mean, not like months at a time, but
like a week or a weekend.
Yeah.
So, retreats are really very important for stabilizing our mind. In daily life, we can try to stabilize and work with our mind and meditation, but it's very hard. It's very hard, as we all know. Like, if you sit in the morning, we know we don't have much time. Right after this, I have to jump and take the subway or BART or drive to somewhere crazy, in a freeway, traffic and everything. Your mind is out there, and so doing practice becomes really challenging in everyday life. But whereas if you take time off, 1 week, go to a really nice, peaceful place, and turn off your cell phones, or where there are no cell phone receptions, even greater. Then you just be there free. You're totally free from TVs. You're totally free from freeways. You're totally free from your cell phones and pagers. And then you can really hear your mind. Only thing that is ringing there is your thoughts. The only image that you're seeing is the image of your mind, your projections, right? The only thing that's happening there is you're watching yourself, and you're finally getting some time to connect with oneself. This is what we call knowing oneself. So meditation retreats will really help us to stabilize that practice of knowing oneself and calming our mind. And when our mind is calm, it becomes clear. So calmness and clarity can be stabilized through retreat practices. As short as 1 week, a weekend even, is great.
Okay.
But make sure, turn off your cell phones.